Okay, I'm going to make a sound, and I want you just to watch me making the sound. Don't say anything. What do you see moving on my mouth?
Your lips are moving.
My lips are moving. I want you to make the sound. Go ahead and say it a few times while you're looking in the mirror. So your lips are moving. Can you be a little more specific?
They close and open.
They close and then they pop open. Exactly. Okay, so now before we get started with the rest of our tasks today, we're going to do a little warm-up. So I'm going to point to a sound and I want you to repeat it after me. P, p, b,
B.
m. And now we're going to do a warm-up with our vowels. So I'm going to point to a letter or a sound and I want you to repeat it after me. E,
E.
I,
I.
E,
E.
A,
A.
A,
A.
All right, so now we're going to practice saying some sounds. I'm going to point to, and we're going to start with consonants. I'm going to point to a letter and I want you to say the sound that goes with that letter.
Okay.
Okay? Look at that letter. Is that a quiet or a noisy sound?
Noisy.
So what do you need to do to make that a noisy sound?
I need to turn on my voice box.
Exactly. Turn on your voice box. So go ahead and put your hand on your throat and try that one again.
Zzz.
How does that sound to you?
Good. Noisy.
Is that noisy?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. I agree. So now we're going to keep practicing listening, but this time our words are going to get longer. And so we're going to use blocks, and I want you to show me the sounds that I say. So first, show me E. Good. E. If that's E, make it eef. Nice. E, eef. If that's eef, make it peef. E, peef. Okay, so now we're going to work on listening to sounds. So I'm going to say a sound, and I want you to point to the picture that goes with that sound. And I'm going to cover my mouth to make it a little harder. Shh. O. Okay, check it out. I'm going to show you my mouth. So is that the right picture for that sound?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, good. It's the right picture. Okay, now we're going to practice talking, but I'm going to have you read what you see. So I'm going to start writing and have you say what you see. Ooh. Oot. Go ahead and underline each sound and say each sound. Oot. Oot. Nice job. Ch. Choot. Okay. So now we're going to work on your memory for sounds, and you're going to be doing some listening and some talking. So follow my lead. Show me ah. And go ahead and say that sound. Ah. If that's ah, make it ak. And touch and say each sound. Ah, k, ah. Good. And put them together. If that's ak, make it eek. So I want you first to touch and say the old word. Ah, and blend it. Ak, And now the same thing with the new one. Eek, eek.